Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you guys some samples of some stuff that I have found when I go thrifting. These are some good items. They're good easy flipped items. So these are my Fiesta items that I'm gonna be talking about today to you guys. Even when I do some of the tax sales that I do, people ask me if I found any, if I had any, and I'm gonna be showing you guys, and I'm gonna be telling you where I got them from, and I'll give you a little bit of descriptions. Whenever you're gonna buy something at a thrift store, do a little research before you buy it or before you pay for it, because sometimes some of these thrift stores, they might be overpricing a little bit of the stuff, so you want to be careful with that. You want to make sure that you're paying the right dollar for it, so you could have a good flip. So if you buy something, say I buy this cup, it's a Fiesta, pottery cup, nice, collectible. If you're going to a store and they have this price of $10, guess what? This is probably what it costs. And if you go to eBay or if you go, there's a lot of competition, so you will not be able to sell this for $20 when somebody else has it for $10 or 15 bucks. So you just gotta make sure that you don't pay a high price. Like right now for this cup, I pay like 75 cents for it. It's a good deal. If I sell it for $10, now you guys tell me if that's like more than 75% profit. So it's one of the tips. Like right here, I want to be showing you guys some of the Fiesta items, because these items, when I get them, they sell quick. Like Fiesta stuff are very collectible. A lot of women like to decorate their houses with. They're very nice. A lot of them are Fiesta retired pottery that they don't make them anymore. They start producing them, so some of them are very collectible. Like right now, I'm gonna show you guys here. This picture right here, it could be either a water pitcher or milk pitcher, but it's nice glazed blue, nice and round, nice size. Signed Fiesta USA. Right now, I got this in a tax sale. Not so far from my house. I had a table with a couple of items. I decided to pull over to check what they had, and this was on the table. They had a price of $5. This nice picture could go for like 25, 35, and a good day, 35 bucks or $40. It's a nice size, nice shape onto it. So another trick when you go to tax sales, you don't automatically have to pay what they're asking for. They put a price, because some of those people that do taxes, they like to negotiate. They like to have fun doing that. So on some occasion, if you think it's like something that is tagged, like if this was put in at $1, I would not negotiate the price, because that's a good deal, $1. But $5, I had $3 on me. I offered the lady $3, and she said that's fine. So right now I have a nice picture here. Some of the stuff, if I have double, my wife loves Fiesta, so she'll keep them for decoration purposes, or the extra one, I will flip it right away, make some money out of it. So on a good day, I could probably get $25 for this easy. And like I said, there's people looking for Fiesta stuff out there. So another one of my favorite is this plate right here. This plate is a Fiesta 500. This is already discontinued. They don't make them anymore. Look how nice they are. Look at the details on it. So this one, I got a Savers. One of my hotspots, Savers. I think they had a price of $2 or $2.99. I believe it was. And sometimes in Savers they give you coupons. So what I did was, I had a coupon of 30% off. So when I do that, I like to bundle up stuff, so I get good deals for what I'm buying. So if I paid $2.99 with the 30% off, I ended up paying like probably $2, which is not bad. Now this plate right here could be worth up to like $75, $80, or if I hold it a little bit longer, it could be worth up to $100. They don't make this no more. Now if you're a collector and you want this plate in your collection, you will pay the $75, or you will pay the $80 up to $100. So for $2, you can't beat that. This is easy to flip. Really, really nice plate and really eye appealing. You will sell it right away. And like I said, I found this on Savers. This is something that you will find at Macy's on the high quality section, and Macy's will sell Fiestas really expensive. JCPenney, a lot of stores have gone away, but JCPenney, when they had them, they sold them too, and they were expensive too. So, you know, high quality item, you know, it's a fancy plate, serving bowl. So, you know, it's a good thing to look for. And you will find them. You just gotta, you know, be patient and search through the whole aisles when you go to one of these stores. So, or even when you got a tax sale, make sure you go, you know, look around and, you know, just look for items like this. These are items that will sell quick. Here I got another sample. I have the sugar and cream with the little holder right here, all Fiesta sign. Another piece that I bought for $1.99. This was at a Goodwill store. You know, those are nice items. In a good day, I could get easy $20 to $25 for that set too. You know, see all these items right here. Another one right here. This one I found at a tax sale, $1. Another Fiesta sign. This is like, I believe it's a sugar bowl. So look at how nice it is. So also marked Fiesta USA on the bottom. You know, actually it looks like a matching set for the one. And Fiesta's known for their colors. You know, they have very nice, attractive colors. And a good tip is to, when you go to the stores, you kind of want to know what you're looking for when you go there. Because sometimes you might be going there and be like, you just go around, you don't have nothing in your mind, so you're just gonna go around and probably waste the time. Or like I said at the beginning, you want to make sure that you're paying a fair price, because that's the point of, you know, going thrifting and flipping money, is to make sure that you're not overpaying for an item. Because sometimes these stores will make a mistake where they like have an item that just because it's new, they put it for like $5, and then you see the original tag was $1 in the stores. You know, overpaying for it. So you got to be careful with that stuff too. Like a lot of this stuff, you know, when you go there, say if you grab this plate, you look at it, oh my God, it's nice, looks nice. Oh, what is Fiesta? Like, if you're not familiar with it, always have your smartphone. Google it. You know, make sure you Google it. Or another easy way, I use one of the sources that I use is eBay. You know, eBay has so many auctions and so many items that, you know, people sell, that kind of gives you an idea or kind of guides you, or, you know, the price range. Because that's another thing, you don't want to grab this plate and just because you saw one that went for $200, it means that that's exactly what you're gonna get. Don't make that mistake. Because if I had this plate, I own this plate, I could price this plate for $1,000. It doesn't mean that it costs $1,000. That's why you reference yourself real quick. Look for the most. They have like a dollar pattern, you know. Make sure that if you see them, that they range from anywhere from like 75 to 65, then you know that that's kind of what it is. You know, that's kind of the price that people are asking. So you might gonna end up getting the same price. You don't want to have, you know, an item that costs $10 and you're gonna price it 75, because then it's just gonna sit there and you're not gonna have a quick flip. Because you don't want to have to put something to sell and jump a lot with your prices, because people are gonna think that you don't know what you're selling. Just make sure that you show confidence and you do your research well. You know, check all the markings. Like this thing right here, this one's a Fiesta 500. It has like an M. When I Google it, HLC USA, you know, I check all those stuff. You know, I check the maker. You know, Hummer's Laughing China Company. You know, look who made it. Now, when I look for this plate, as soon as I got it, I did some research on it, and I know that it's a retired Fiesta bowl. So right off the back, I know when it's like a retired, that means that they don't make it anymore. It's gonna even hold their value quick. So you gotta look at all those details and make sure, like I said, don't overpay for the item, because you know you might end up not flipping or not making a good flip. When you go to a tax sales, estate sale, and you see items like this, one trick that I do, if I go to a tax sale and I grab a piece that's sitting on the table, I looked at it quick. I already kind of know in my head what it is. It's a Fiesta. I already know it's a nice piece of pottery, a picture. So what you do, you know, don't show your emotions, because if you show your emotions, some people put things in there, they're gonna go back to the item being, maybe I could charge him more because he likes it. You know, you grab it. Remember, if you're up there to thrift and make a flip, don't show emotion, because if you show emotion, they might make you pay a little more than, you know, what you did we're gonna originally ask for. So, you know, and that's why I would say, if you got your phone with you again, you look at it, you know, memorize the name that you saw underneath the item, and what you do, you put it in your smartphone, you Google it, you research it, you'll be like, okay, this thing is worth 25 to 30 bucks. Let me see how much they want for it. Like I said, and a lot of these places, you could, you know, tax sales and state sales, you could bargain the prices, you know, and you make it fun for yourself, you know. You know, they might want 10 bucks. You offer them 8 bucks. I mean, 5 bucks. She might say 7 bucks. You could say $6, and then you gotta come to an agreement of $6. So you know, you feel good that you pay $6, and you know you didn't pay the $10 or $15. Now you have a little bit of room to make. And I'm telling you based on my experiences. When I go to the spaces, you know, they see me young. They see, oh, this is a young cat that he probably doesn't even know what he's in here for, you know, but when they see me, I start talking to them, you know, we start conversating about items, they be like, yeah, then he knows exactly what he's looking for. And you know, I always, when I go to the spaces, I always look for items that I could quick flip. And you know, you cannot go to the space and get carried away and buying stuff if you're not sure, because then some of the stuff, when you bring them home, they get stuck, and then you don't want to put them in the shelf, and then your wife gets mad at you because you have all this stuff ordered in, you know, the garage or in one of the rooms in the house, and then you don't want that. Trust me, you don't want that. So make sure you pay the right dollar value for it. Make sure when you go to the stores or you go to the state sales or tax sale, please do your research before you buy something. Make sure you buy it at the right amount. I don't want you guys to overpay for all these items. That's one of the keys, and that's one of the problems I had when I was starting. Like, I will go to a tax sale, I will go so excited that I saw this Fiesta ball and they got it for $20. I said, oh my God, my wife's gonna love it, I'm gonna bring it home for $20. And then if I sold it for $30, then what was my profit? Only 10 bucks. I went through all that for $10. And then if you sell through eBay charges a certain amount, percentage, you know, and then you gotta send the package, then you gotta pay for the box, for the wrapping papers, for the tape, for the stickers that you gotta put into shipping label. So basically, you probably end up making $1 out of it. So just gotta make sure that you are paying the right amount. Whenever you're in the store, grab your phone. It takes you a couple of minutes. You research it good, you know. And if you think you're gonna be making a good flip, just go with it. Go with it. I mean, it's a fun thing to do. Trust me. My wife knows, and the people that know me knows that when the tax sale season starts and state sale season starts, I'm like on it on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays. You know, I hate some of the tax sales. You know, just make sure, like, if you go to the stores like Goodwills and Savers, try not to make it like a habit of going there every day, because if you go there every day, you're probably gonna see the same items every day, so you're not gonna find that interesting. So, you know, if you go today, skip 2-3 days, and then you go back again, you scatter everything, you know? It's gonna be fun. I'm telling you, it's gonna be fun. As long as you know what you're paying for it, and making sure that you're getting a good deal out of it, and you make your first flip, you're gonna feel real good. And then you're gonna be like, oh my God, I didn't know this was, you know, that good. And then another tip that I'm gonna give you. This will be the last tip for this video. When you make a flip, say you made a flip, I made a flip on this, I paid $2, $3, and I sold it for $65.75. What I do next, this is the key. I will poof at least $50 away. My other $25, I will try to flip it. That way I keep that same money flowing. You wanna make sure you do that. You wanna make sure you put money aside, because if you get the whole 75 and you start buying stuff, then you flipped it, but the money went right out the door. So you want to make sure that you're safe, and with the same money that you profit, you want to make sure that you keep flipping and buying more stuff. You want to make sure that you do that. And if you do that, you're going to see good results in your bank account, right? And then on my next video, I'm going to be taking you guys thrifting with me, all right? So make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, hit that bell, the notification bell, and you guys are gonna be going with me thrifting on my next video. It's gonna be fun. The next video,